Mind my business. Leave me alone. I'm recording a video. I'm recording a video, Amara. Go tell your dad. Go tell your, well, go get some of Casey. What's up, guys, and Happy New Year. Welcome back. Yeah, hopefully 2021, it just brings us back, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, with everything that's going on thus far, I'm kind of like apprehensive. But anyways, how are you? Nice to see you. I've missed you. If you are a regular subscriber, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Keisha and I do reviews, vlogs, tutorial videos on a lot of things. So this is my first video of the new year. Yay! And I am so excited to try out this, review this product that I most recently bought. So if you are new here, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications for when I post new videos, and definitely go follow me on Instagram at enigmatic_k.s.h. Yeah, and definitely stay tuned for the review of this new tool that I just purchased. It's not a new tool. There's plenty of reviews on it, but I wanted to try it out for myself because, you know, it's definitely been a struggle having natural hair and trying to blow it out, if that's any hint or clue about what I'm about to review. But yeah, like, because I like to wear wigs a lot, so I have to braid my hair down because otherwise, you know, your wig will be sitting on top of your head, and that's not what you want. What you want is as flat as possible. So therefore, I have to blow my hair out, and by doing so, I do have a good blow dryer, but I definitely wanted something different in the sense that it could blow my hair out and combing it at the same time. So yeah, this is kind of what this tool is, and I'm about to introduce it to you right now. Okay, so the tool I'm about to be reviewing is the Revlon Power of a Dryer Precision of a Styler. One-step hair dryer and styler. Now this is new, it's in the box. I got it from Ulta. It retails for $40. Ulta had this thing going on during the holidays where they had 20% off of a $50 purchase. So I didn't say $20, did I? 20% off a $50 purchase. So I got this and I got something else that I'm going to review, but I'm not gonna tell you what it is. But yeah, so this is what I'm going to be showing you guys reviewing it. And I have natural hair. I have 4C hair. It's short. So I definitely have to blow it out every single time when I'm about to get it braided, or I'm about to braid it down myself. So that is why this is necessary. And I've seen a lot of reviews on this and that it works pretty well. So I wanted to give it a try for myself. So that's what we're going to do today. And if you are interested in this video, definitely stay tuned to see how well it blows out my hair, what my hair looks like, and see if it might work for you. So yeah, we're about to get into this video, y'all. Okay. All right, I'll see you in a second. Let me get it out this box. You know what? No, I take that back. I'm gonna show me opening the box so you can see everything that's in here. So yeah, I'll see you in a second. Okay, I'm back, guys, and all right, let's get this bad boy open. I hate I have to rip this, but see, it's kind of ridiculous. Okay. Okay, so these open. Comes in a plastic bag. Yeah, everything's in the bag. Open the bag. Comes with the little instruction guide for the hair dryer. Typical stuff. that it says all the normal stuff that we're used to. No need to read that. This is what it looks like. I got the pink one. It does come in 2 colors. There's the black one. Both of the colors are black and pink, but this is the full pink one outlined with black, and there's the other one that's black is outlined with pink, if that makes any sense. Okay, so gonna take this off. And also in this video, I'm gonna do a hair length check. This is me going on my 3rd year of being natural. So just to see where my hair is at, and I also need to cut the ends on my hair. So I'll show you how I do that really quick. And there's that. So let's look at my hair. Okay, this is my hair. You see how short it is? But y'all, shrinkage is a mug, okay? Because look at this. If you pull my hair, I swear my hair is taking forever to grow. It's just like, it's definitely longer than this. So shrinkage is real. Okay, so yeah. We're gonna see how long it gets once I do this. Okay, so we're about to use this bad boy on this hair. This short 4C hair, natural, okay? The bag. All right. I don't know if you can see this, but it does have 4 settings right here. You know, the off, cool, low, and high. I'm going to be doing it on high, of course, because I'm trying to get the most stretch potential out of this hair, okay? And so before I start, I'm going to use my Canva Shea Butter Thermal Shield Heat Protectant. I've already greased my hair, so there's no need to do that. And I've combed through it. Not to mention this has a paddle brush, so I'm gonna be able to comb. And the great thing I love about this is the fact that when you're blow drying your hair out, to get it to a length a longer length, you definitely have to comb at the same time. The resistance with the heat definitely helps stretch your hair. So hopefully y'all can see that. I'm trying to soak it as much as possible. Yeah, I need that heat protected because I'm not trying to damage my hair. All right, so let's get started. Look at that sound. Let's hear it on low. Cool. Oh wait, I missed it. Cool. All right, we're gonna go high. Y'all ready? Hold on, before I do this, I do not need to part off my hair. It's so short, I could just and be done, okay? I don't have time for all that. Part my hair is not long enough for that, so that's why I don't do that. So yeah. so this is the after effect after using the blow dryer. I feel like it definitely blow dried my hair straighter than if you used a regular blow dryer. But I do have a like professional blow dryer by Sadu that definitely gets your hair straight. Like back here, you know, it's not as straight or long as I need it to be, especially if I have to braid it myself. So yeah, definitely gonna have to go back in there. But for the most part, it did its job. Like, it definitely straightened my hair, and this is as long as it got it. Yeah, so I don't feel like it's a bad price point. And like I said, it gets the job done if you're just trying to straighten your hair. And if your hair is long enough, you know, to braid. I need my hair a little bit longer, just because I'm not an advanced braider, like I said. So yeah, but once my hair gets there, and it's gonna get there, you know, I won't have to stretch it as much, you know. So yeah, could have did a better job in the back. Like, I feel like it didn't stretch enough. In the front, it was fine. The front is fine. It's perfect. So yeah, you guys, that is my review on Miss Paddle right here. I like the color. I think the handle, you know, is a good size. I think it definitely brushes through your hair good enough. If you want to see how much hair I have in there, it's not that much. Like right there, maybe here on the side. It doesn't really pull your hair out either. It's good on that point. Like, you know, it probably just pulls out the hair that needs to be combed out for that day while your hair is shedding. So it doesn't pull out a lot of hair. So that's another good point about this brush. But yeah, overall, I think it's a decent buy. Especially if you're looking for something, you know, which is less work with the comb and the blow dryer. This would probably be your best thing. Now, they do have another one, which I will get and review that one too, versus this one. It's it's a $60 one, but it's a volumizer and a brush hair dryer. And so it's actually in what do I want to say, a column or a round circle or whatever. And so I feel like it's able to grip, you know, and it has the smaller bristles, so it's probably able to grip the hair better and have that motion, so we can separate the hair so we can get straighter. So I definitely want to try that one, and that one's by Revlon too, and like I said, it's $20 more than this one, so I definitely will be trying that one. So keep an eye out for that video. And so you guys, that is all for this. Oh, really quick, I wanted to do a link check. I have the video I posted like a year ago of how long my hair is. This is the length of my hair right now. I feel like it's exactly the same, but I'm pretty sure it's longer. It doesn't feel like it. And that's how it is with natural hair, I guess. I'm definitely trying to go along the lines of trying different things and taking my biotin pills every day to try to get my hair to grow longer and longer and longer. It's taking forever for my hair to grow. I feel like this natural hair thing maybe just isn't for me. I don't know. I like short hair anyway. But yeah, it's just taking forever for my hair to grow right now. Like, I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you're interested in this product, I have the link down below for where you can buy it. Ulta, there's a couple of other places you can buy it. Like I said, I got mine from Ulta. Yeah, definitely try it out, because it isn't a bad buy. Keep an eye out on my video, and I know I said Happy New Year. Happy New Year, you guys. I'm putting nothing but positive blessings in the air, and that we are gonna have a great year, okay? A great year, regardless of what has happened thus far. Definitely don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment below. It helps my channel. I appreciate all the support and all the people who subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. And also, if you want to go ahead on Instagram and follow me at ignatic_k.sh. Also, I'm on Twitter. I'm on Twitter at Ignatic Designed, and I'm on TikTok at Ignatic Designed. So try to keep it simple, kind of keep it easy. But also, you will see throughout the video me linking my Instagram below, because I'm trying to grow my Instagram. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.